Hi there, students. A germ. Okay, a germ is a very small organism that causes disease. A germ. So a virus or is a germ. You need to wash your hands when you cook so that you don't get germs on the food. Insects and flies spread germs. The bottle says it kills all known germs, but I'm not so sure about that. When it's warm, germs multiply very rapidly. So coughs and sneezes spread diseases. Cover your nose because we don't all want your germs. That kitchen of yours is full of germs. Germs are something that can be found everywhere. Now, a germ of something, a very small amount of it, the germ of an idea. He found the germ of the idea for this product in a very old book. So a germ, it's normally a very tiny something that develops into something much larger. So, I don't know, where did the germ of the idea of computers come from? Well, we certainly got Charles Babbage from the 19th century. So, a germ is the origin of something that grows out of it. Your suggestion was the germ of the idea. You could have germ warfare. Yes, this is using microbes to infect your enemy. A germ, the center of a seed. So you could have, for example, wheat germ or cereal germ. It's the very embryo of a seed. It's the center part of a seed that grows. A germ. A pathogen, a microorganism, a bacteria, a virus. And then we use a germ to talk about the origin, the earliest product of it. So I wonder where the germs of democracy came from. Did they come from ancient Greece, or did the germ of that come from further back in time? Okay, so a germ, the embryo of a seed, an idea, a pathogenic microorganism. And from that we get the verb to germinate. But a germ, a pathogen, in the broadest sense, any agent or organism that can cause disease. Yeah, you want to get the germs off your hands by washing. So virus, a bacteria, a protozoa, a prion, a viroid, a fungus, even some very small animals can be thought of as germs as well, perhaps. Okay, so the germ of an idea produced the germ of the project. The germs of revolution appeared from the injustices committed by the dictator. Okay, so a germ that destroyed 100 million lives, or the COVID-19 germ. The germ of an idea took root in her mind. So the seed, the origin, the spark, the beginning, the very start. Yeah, the germ of the concept. Yeah. So disinfectant kills germs, but germs of ideas are a good thing. So a germ, a small organism that causes disease. They often use chlorine to kill germs. A microbe, a virus, a bug. And then the germ of something is something which developed or might develop into something else. So the germ of an idea took root, the seed, the origin, the basis. And then you could have wheat germ, or wheat germ is the middle part of the grain of wheat, which is rich in vitamins and often added to other foods. So germ, I think I'm going to give germ a 5 in formality, so I think you use it anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Latin germen, a bud or a seed or an embryo. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Germ.